Ngalombuthano bekuhloswe ukwabelana ngolwazi ngomkhakha wezokusakaza kodwa akubulawa komculi odume ngelika aka bethusile abantu abaningi ezwenikazi. U-aka ukhunjulwe ngeqhaza alibambe kwesekeni lababa bebhekene nengqinamba emazweni ehlukene ezwenikazi weAfrika. Intatheli uHopwell Chinono uthi angeke bamlibale u-aka.
The death of AKA, as most people saw on social media, it shocked Zimbabweans. He's a young man who used his platforms to articulate the issues that were happening in Zimbabwe in 2020, issues of repression. When I was thrown into prison, he's one of the people who amplified the Zimbabweans' Lives Matter hashtag. So to a lot of Zimbabweans, they were pained by his death, and the fact that he died in such a tragic way, it was very painful.
Abagqugquzeli be-Africa Media Festival bakholwa ukuthi laba abadinga usizo bazohlomula.
The idea came about from the community. A couple of journalists who had attended a media festival or a media conference in Berlin reached out to us, and they saw a need that Africa also has to have its own conversations. We have our peculiar challenges that we need to discuss within us, but also encourage collaborations across the continent. More than often, newsrooms or even journalists or media practitioners will collaborate with people from other countries, but not look at collaborating with the continent. So that's came about, and we had to set up the festival to address those issues.
Lo mbukiso uzophela khona namhlanje.